Do you know that the He acupuncture point is responsible for treating more than 90 ailments? Today I have two very simple ways to stimulate it. You will find these of great benefit. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Serpina. Welcome to my health tip channel. Chinese doctors say acupuncture points are the medicines. The body is the pharmacy. The He point is the biggest stimulation point of our body. Frequently rubbing and hitting each hand's point together can assist in the lowering of blood pressure, calming the nerves, and strengthening the spleen and the stomach. At the same time, its stimulation can relieve headache, deafness, blurred vision, neurasthenia, and has very good general health care and conditioning effects. He is the original point of the YangMing meridian and is the largest of hundreds of points around the body with the biggest treatment range. Some people call it a large medicine box carried by the human body. The He point is located on the back of the hand, at the middle point of the first and the second metacarpal bones. There are two ways to find it. Method 1. Use the horizontal crease at the joint of the thumb of the one hand and place it crossed, tightened, and stretch skin between the thumb and the index finger of the other hand. Then pull your thumb up toward its middle point between the thumb and the index. The top of the thumb is He point. Here. Method 2. If you align the thumb and the index finger of the hand together, the highest protrusion where the skin reaches is the He point. Here. Today, you do not need to find this point very precisely. I will show you two simple ways to stimulate the He point. The first way is to rub your two He points with your two hands, as I'm doing now, like this. The second way is to hit the two He points together with your two hands, like this. Do this rubbing treatment for 1 minute and then stop. You can shake your hands for 5 to 10 seconds and then you do this another 2 times to make 3 sessions. Then do the other method, the heating one, for the same amount of time, 3 minutes in all. Some of you may feel sore or have pain when hitting your hands together. If that is the case, you need to reduce the intensity and be gentler, softer. Intensity and speed can start slowly and gradually build up. This really depends on you. By the way, stimulating the He point is also effective for insomnia, swollen or bleeding gums, and strengthening teeth.
So here's some information about the principles of acupuncture. Traditional Chinese acupuncture has been studied and practiced for over 2,500 years and is based on the belief that an energy or life force, known as qi, flows through the body in channels called meridians and acts as a natural painkiller. The principle of acupuncture is to treat diseases by dredging the meridians, reconciling body imbalances, called yin and yang, and so treating all manner of ailments. By stimulating various body points known as nodes, acupuncture accelerates local blood circulation, enhances cell growth and vitality, and restores the body to its yin and yang equilibrium, ensuring that the qi and blood then travel to all the furthest parts of the body. In doing so, the functional status of the viscera, joints, muscles, and tendons, etc. are improved, so curing pain and disease. Acupuncture doesn't always require needles either. Just a knock, rub, press, or tap on acupuncture points can also achieve excellent results for many ailments, often working best in chronic situations as well as less painful ones.
That's it for this time. Please pass these tips on to your family and your friends, and then let's see more people benefit from the He points. Also, you can let me know what subject you wish to learn, and I will try my best to make a video for it. By the way, if you subscribe my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health tips information. Many thanks, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.